Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta working as assistant professor in IoT department. Now I'm going to present a concept like transmission media. We know that in that ISO OSA layer, physical layer is lowest layer. It deals with the physical components of the network, right? So in this session, transmission media, which is very important for data communication, which are used to transfer the information in the form of signals from the device to the device, right? So here, the transmission of signals, the informations are converted as zeros and ones. Those informations are transferred as a signals, either electrical signals or light signals. So for transmitting the signals, we need a medium. So the medium is it provided contact between the devices. So here in this session, we're going to discuss about the transmission medium. It is a wired, we're going to discuss wired medium in this session, the various type of mediums available for making communication between the devices. Okay, so here, the sender and receiver both have the ISO OSA protocol stack. In that, the physical layer have contact with the receiver machine or a next hop physical layer. The medium which transfer the information from that device to the another device. So likewise, it transmits. There are various classes of transmission medias are available. If we have take a wired medium, there are three different type of cables were used. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable will be used. If it is a wireless medium, the air is the medium. In that, the signals are transmitted in the form of electromagnetic waves. So here, in this session, we're going to discuss about the various transmission medias and how it works, what type of nature it have. We will discuss one by one. Guided media. Guided media, which is where it provide a contact from one device to the other, which includes twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and also fiber optic cable. So that twisted pair type of cables they were used in the telephone line communication. So in that landline telephone communication, wires in the form of twisted pair cables and coaxial cable. Volt and cable TV connection have coaxial cable type of cables, so which have the center conductor which transmit the signals. And nowadays it's replaced by fiber optic cable because the twisted pair and coaxial transmit the signals in the form of electric signals, and that fiber optic cable supports for light wave transmission. So here different mediums are there in wired medium. First we'll discuss the twisted pair cable. The twisted pair cable which have that insulated material which is cover the conductors. So the conductors have both two different two conductors are insulated by insulated material like a plastic. Okay, so this kind of twisted pair cable we were used in telephone line communication. Then in that twisted pair cable alone have two types. One is unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. Unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. If it is an unshielded twisted pair, there is no extra material covered by the conductors. Only the plastic outer cable will be used. If it is a shielded twisted pair, it have extra conductor which covers like it's like a shield which covers the conductors. So metal shield will be used to cover the conductor materials, and outer will be a plastic material. So there are two types: unshielded and shielded twisted pair. There are various categories also there. In this unshielded and twisted pair cables will used in telephone line connection, T-based line connection, and also LAN connections and token ring and token bus connections will use twisted pair cables. And next, we have the coaxial cable. So I see that the existing twisted pair cable will have two conductor material which is covered by plastic covers. In this, the inner conductor and outer conductor will be used in coaxial cable, which is covered by the insulation material like a plastic. Okay, so the insulated material will be copper. So which is covered by two outer and inner conductors, sorry, insulators. So various categories of coaxial cables also there. If you have cable TV cable, which have a category of RG59, the impedance level is 7.75. And if it is a thin Ethernet cable means we will have RG58. Thick Ethernet RG11 category will be used. It's a both support 50 impedance. Next, for making the connection of coaxial cables, we will use BNC connectors. It's a standardized connector. There are different variety of connectors are there. T-based connector, then straight kind of connectors, and different variety of connectors are there to connect the cables. So, which kind of cable we can see in cable TV connections. And the next one is we're going to discuss about fiber optic. So the fiber optic, when compared to the previous two category, the support high speed because of the transmission of signals in the form of light. So when compared to the electric signal, the light wave transmission support high faster. So here, based on the light wave, there are different category of critical angles are there. If it is a reflection or refraction, so different categories are there. So based on the density and critical angle, we can calculate that. So optical fiber looks like it's the inner layer is a glass kind of core material. The outer will be a cladding part, and the signals in the are maybe reflected over the cladding material. So in that propagation mode, the signal propagation modes have a single mode or multi-mode. If it is a single mode, the light waves in the form of single straight line of waves transmission. If it is a multi-mode, multiple waves will be transmitted. In that multi-wave, we have step index and the gradient index will be used. So see the diagram. The first one is multi-mode gradient index, step index, and second one is the multi-mode gradient index. So see that in that multi-mode the step index, there are two different, the multiple waves will transmitted through the material, like a core material. And the second one, a single wave will be transmitted over the core material. The capacity of the cable will be higher, a bigger one. But in single mode wave transmission, it is a narrow one. Narrow one, the single ray of signal will be passed. So fiber optic cables will be used in with the different impedance core and cladding material. So multi-mode gradient index will be mostly used, and also single mode also used. See that cable, they have cladding part. It's a glass or plastic material will be used, and it have a plastic cover material, outer conductor, and outer jacket will be also used. So the fiber optic cable connectors, different variety of connectors, 5C connector, ST connector, and RJ connector. The different connectors are used for connecting fiber optic cable. Okay, in this session we discussed various wired medium. So which of this is not a guided media? Fiber optic, coaxial, wireless LAN, copper wire, wireless LAN. Coaxial cable consists of dash concentric copper conductors. When in a single conductor, and outer conductor will be used, right? So consists of two concentric copper conductors will be used. Okay. Thank you so much for patient listening.